Hello and welcome back to Crocheli. This is the granny square that we're going to make today. This is a very classic granny square, and it's also very easy to make. You can change color, or you can keep or use one color. It's all up to you. Okay, let's get started. Okay, to begin with, we need a magic ring. I'm doing only like this. Or just do it like that. Position your yarn, and then let's have chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then this chain 3 will be counted as 1 double crochet. Okay, so we need 2 more double crochet. 1, and then 2, and then chain 2, and then we need, now we have 1, 2, 3 double crochet, so we need 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, and then 3, and then chain 2 again. 1, 2, and then 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then let's adjust our magic ring. We need 4 of this. 1, 2, 3, so we need 1 more. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2, and let's pull in our magic ring, and then just connect here. You join here. Okay, slip stitch. Okay, so that's our row 1, our round 1. Then let's go to the second round. Okay, that's chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, this chain 3 will be counted as your double crochet. So 1 double crochet, and then do your next double crochet in here, in the same stitch where in the same space where your chain 3 is here. So 1 double crochet, and then next is double crochet again. Later you will understand what is going on. You see, we have 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, so when we reach the corner, this is our first corner, you need 2 double crochet, and then chain 2, and then another 2 double crochet in the same space. 1 and 2, and then we have 3 double crochet here, so you need 3 double crochet here also. For you not to make to be confused, do your first double crochet in here. You can see that, just stretch a little bit, and you can see the first stitch here. Do it here. So 1, and then 2, and then 3 here. Okay, so now we are in the second corner, so we need 2 double crochet again. 1, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet again in the same space. 1, and then 2, and then again 3 double crochet. 3, where is the first stitch? This one. So 1, 2, and then 3. Then again, this is our third corner. No, 1, 2, yeah, third corner. So we need 1, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 1, 2 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet again here. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, and then 2 double crochet here. 1, 2, this is the last corner, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet. 1, and then 2. Okay, and then just join here. Then I need to change my color. Let's have the color white. Okay, you can start anywhere you want. I'm comfortable starting here in the middle, or better yet, I will start here so you will not get confused on how many in counting purpose. So we did 1, 2, 3 will be counted as your first double crochet. Remember, we are in the corner, so you need to do the cluster. So okay, the chain 3 will be counted as 1 double crochet. This is the second double crochet, and then chain 2, and then 2 double crochet again. 1, 2. Remember, when you are in this space, this is the corner, so you need to do the cluster. 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet, and then continue double crochet on top of all the double crochet here. So always start here, stretch your work so you can see this first stitch here, this one. So 1, and then next 2, and then the next, carry your yarn behind so it's clean. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's the last. You need to jump here inside this. So we need cluster again. This is the second corner. So 1, 2, chain 2, then 2 double crochet again in the same space. 1, 2. So basically, this is what is going on here. Whenever you reach the corner, you will make a cluster. 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. And on top of every double crochet, you need to do a double crochet. So here we have in our round 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, in our round 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including the 2 double crochet in the cluster. Okay, and then it will increase here. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 in this. You just continue growing. Okay, again, double crochet. Don't forget, this is the first stitch here. One. Okay, when you reach the space, that means you are in the corner again. 2 double crochet, 2, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet again. Just continue, repeat what we are doing, what we did here. Okay, now we are in our round 4. This is 1, 2, 3. So let's go to round 4. Change color again. Okay, you can start in any corner you want, and then let's do the chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and hold your excess yarn behind and carry that behind so you can hide it immediately. So chain 3, double crochet. It's just the same from whatever we did from row 2 to row 3, and how big you want it, it's all the same. Okay, so 2 double crochet, chain 2. This is counted as double crochet, remember? So chain 2 and then 2 double crochet again, 1, and then 2. Okay, and then double crochet on top of all the double crochet here, but just remember, do it here, the first chain here, the first stitch here. So 1, 2, 3, okay, now that we reached the next corner, we will do the same here. 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet again, because we are in the corner. Just remember that. Okay, so just like that, the cluster here, every time you're in the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and then double crochet on top of all the double crochet from the bottom. So just like that, make it bigger, change your color, or just keep in one color, and then you can create this beautiful granny square. Very simple and very classic. My next video will be, I will make this a crossbody bag. So I hope you will watch my next tutorial on how we will make this a body bag. And thank you so much for watching, and enjoy crocheting. Thank you.